Hey guys and gals, how y'all doing out there today? I just wanted to do a quick unboxing. It's kind of one I've been excited about here. Let's cut her open and see what we got. I'm gonna open it. What do us knife guys, use our knives to do? Open up new knives. Here's Spyderco Shaman. Whew, came close to hitting that. Damn. Ooh, I actually have another Spyderco. Let's make sure there's nothing else in here. No note. And alright, that's it. Kind of one I've been excited for. It's actually a Tai Chung. This is my first Tai Chung Spyderco. It is the Gayle Bradley 2. That doesn't show up well, does it? I'm curious. Yeah, it kind of shows up. Let's just take a look here. Ooh. A little heavier than I thought it would be. Oh, that's nice. That is a nice sized knife. Oh, that is comfortable. Wow. I'm actually very surprised. That carbon fiber G10 laminate's actually really grippy too. Wow, here. I'll do one of these so you can actually see it. The gentleman I bought it from, it's basically brand new. He's never actually carried it, and I tell you what, it shows. Oh, that is a nice looking blade. Oh, wow, that is really comfortable. It like I said, it's actually a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. I'm just going to go over just some initial thoughts here. Like the pocket clip, it's a very standard-ish type pocket clip. I mean, it's kind of a very similar deal to this. I like the standoffs. The carbon fiber is actually really cool looking. Normally, I haven't been a fan of carbon fiber in the past. Oh, it's nice and smooth even, too. It needs a little oil. No side to side. Definitely no up and down. That jimping on the thumb ramp is actually pretty purposeful. Wow. You know what? Here, let's pull down. I know I have paper around here. I have to give this a shot because he said he basically never cut anything with it, other than maybe phone book paper like I'm about to do. Let's see what this Tai Chung plant can do. Oh, that is wicked. Oh, that is sharp. I'm curious. Just I love my Shaman. This thing I know is sharp. I wonder if this can. Shaman does pretty good too. I tell you what, that edge is. That is nice. I'm very impressed with this. Expect then, oh yeah, that is M4 steel. I've never had M4. I think this is going to be a lot of fun. Expect a review on this in the next couple months. Ooh, you can even spider flick it. I'm going to have a lot of fun with this one. Alright guys, thanks. If you could like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good YouTube stuff. I'm going to try to do some more unboxings just because they're kind of fun to see initial reactions. Alright guys, thanks. Take care.